So glad to see you today. Today, we're going to do another lesson for math, but today we're going to be talking about 3D shapes. Now, let's review. We had our 2D shapes and we talked about those attributes, those characteristics that make a 2D shape, like a triangle, a square, a rectangle, a hexagon. And we said there were two things that we had to look for in a 2D shape. We had to look for sides, the number of sides, and the number of vertices, those corners. Well, today in 3D shapes, we have to look for 3 different attributes. And they're a little bit different than our 2D shapes. We still have vertices, we still have corners, but we also have something called faces, and we have something called edges, where the sides meet. So I have some examples here. I have a cube. A cube is a 3D shape. We take flat shapes and we make them into 3D shapes. But we do this by connecting the sides, and that makes our edges, so where the sides meet. So we have to count first our faces, the flat parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 faces, there's 6 flat sides. We count our corners, our vertices. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 corners. We have 8 vertices. Now our sides are going to be the most, those edges where they meet, where the sides meet. So we're going to count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we have to count the ones on the bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12. It has 12 edges. And guess what? That's exactly the same when we have our rectangular prism. I have a puzzle here. Been doing lots of puzzles at my house. But this is a rectangular prism, and it's got little prairie dogs on it from the Badlands. But watch, I'm going to count. It's going to be exactly the same as the cube. But that's because cubes are squares, and this is a rectangle. 1, 2, front and back, side, face, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 6 of them. And if I count my corners, my vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, just like the cube. And it's going to have the same number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I have to do the bottom. 9, 10, 11, 12, just like the cube. But then we have some other ones that don't have those vertices, or they have different kinds of things. So this one is called a cylinder. A cylinder has a flat face on the top and a flat face on the bottom. So it has 2 faces. It has curved edges so that it rolls, and no corners, no vertices. Now on something else that kind of looks like this, but you have to use your imagination. Think about if this came down to a point, what would that be called? Something you might eat in the summertime. That's right, an ice cream cone. It would have 1 flat face and 1 point, and that point is actually a vertex. It has a corner there where it all connects. And the last one I have to show is a sphere. Sphere, no corners, just like a circle. No faces, no flats, but it has round edges so that it rolls. So today, whenever you're working on your activities in Seesaw, you're going to watch a video, I think, and you're also going to be working in Seesaw, and you're going to be doing some things. You're going to be looking for those 3 attributes that make up a 3D shape: faces, vertices, edges. You can do this. You got this. You guys rock. I miss you. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.